Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at the Shark Cordless Plus vacuum, an innovative option designed with deep cleaning in mind, especially for homes with pets. This vacuum offers a combination of power, convenience, and some thoughtful features that could make it an ideal choice for those battling dust, allergens, and pet hair. Let's break down what this vacuum has to offer, how it performs in real-life scenarios, and whether it delivers on its promises. The Shark Cordless Pet Plus vacuum packs a punch with its hypervelocity accelerated suction, which claims to deliver deep cleaning performance while still maintaining a lightweight and easy-to-maneuver design. We're talking about a vacuum that's engineered for intense suction power, but without the bulk that often comes with heavy-duty models. This is paired with a removable battery that offers up to 40 minutes of runtime when using the hand vacuum in standard mode. That's a solid amount of time for most cleaning tasks, though it's worth considering the fact that runtime can drop if you're using higher suction modes, particularly when tackling tougher messes. One of the standout features here is the PowerFins Brushroll, designed to make continuous contact with your floors, digging deep into carpets and engaging hard floors for a more thorough clean. Unlike traditional brush rolls, which can sometimes leave debris behind, the PowerFins stay in contact, providing a more effective pickup across all surface types. It's also equipped with a self-cleaning feature, meaning that pet hair won't get tangled in the brush roll. If you're someone who's constantly dealing with hair wrapped around your vacuum's brush, this could be a major game changer. The vacuum also boasts HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen complete seal. This is particularly appealing if you're sensitive to allergens or if you have pets. The HEPA filter captures dust, dander, and other particles, keeping them trapped in the vacuum and out of the air you breathe. If you suffer from allergies or have a household with pets, this could significantly improve your air quality, offering peace of mind while you clean. Now, when it comes to maneuverability, the Shark Cordless Pet Plus vacuum is a dream for getting under furniture. Its low-profile design allows it to glide under couches and beds, reaching areas that might otherwise be difficult to clean with bulkier models. Plus, the vacuum easily transforms into a hand vacuum, making above-floor cleaning a breeze. Whether you need to clean upholstery, stairs, or your car interior, this transformation adds versatility to an already flexible vacuum. The XL Dust Cup, paired with the Clean Touch Dirt Ejector, makes emptying the dustbin a lot less messy, a much-needed feature for anyone tired of dealing with dirt that gets stuck. And let's not forget the LED headlights, which illuminate hidden debris, ensuring you don't miss a spot even in low-light conditions. These headlights might seem like a small touch, but they can really help you spot that stray dust or pet hair around the house, making sure your cleaning is thorough. Let's talk about real-world use. The Shark Cordless Pet Plus does well in all areas, but it truly excels when it comes to pet hair. The self-cleaning brush roll does its job, picking up pet hair without creating that dreaded hairball mess. The suction power is impressive, especially on hard floors and low-pile carpets, though it does struggle a little with deep-pile carpets, particularly if they have embedded dirt. Still, for the average home with mixed flooring, it performs admirably. The runtime is also quite impressive, though if you're using the vacuum on high power, you might see the battery drop a bit faster. The vacuum's lightweight design means it's easy to carry around, but after prolonged use, the lack of a heavy-duty build might raise questions for those with larger homes or extensive cleaning needs. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. The Shark Cordless Pet Plus vacuum is incredibly lightweight, which makes it perfect for anyone who dislikes lugging a heavy vacuum around. Its ability to transform into a hand vacuum gives it an edge over standard upright models, making it more versatile. The suction power is strong for most cleaning tasks, and the self-cleaning brush roll ensures pet hair is taken care of with ease. It's also a great option for allergy sufferers, thanks to its HEPA filtration and allergen seal. The low-profile design allows for great maneuverability under furniture, and the LED headlights are a practical addition. However, it's not perfect. While it performs well on hard floors and low-pile carpets, it struggles a bit on high-pile or deep carpets, especially when it comes to deep cleaning embedded dirt. The battery life is decent, but it could be a little longer, especially if you plan to use the vacuum on higher suction modes for extended periods. The dust cup, although XL, could be slightly bigger for those with larger homes or pets that shed heavily. And while the build quality is solid for the price, it might not feel as premium as some of the higher-end models out there. In terms of value for money, the Shark Cordless Pet Plus vacuum sits at a reasonable price point for what it offers. It delivers powerful suction, versatility, and pet hair handling that many will find useful. However, when compared to other vacuums in the same price range, you may find models with slightly better performance on deep carpets or longer battery life. Brands like Dyson or Bissell have models that perform similarly in terms of suction and attachments, but they tend to be priced higher. The Shark stands out for those looking for a balance of price and performance, especially in homes with a mix of floor types and pet hair challenges. If you're considering alternatives, you might look at the Dyson V8 Animal or the Bissell Icon Pet. Both have similar features, like excellent suction and pet hair handling, but at a higher price. The Shark's key advantage over those models is its affordability, while still providing most of the essential features, like the self-cleaning Brushroll and solid suction power. However, if you're willing to spend a bit more, you might get a longer runtime and more consistent performance on deep carpets with those alternatives. In terms of build quality and maintenance, the Shark Cordless Pet Plus is relatively easy to care for. The Brushroll can be cleaned to prevent tangling, and the dust cup empties with minimal mess. The battery is removable, which means it's easy to replace when the time comes. Long-term reliability seems solid for a vacuum at this price, though. As always, a bit of regular maintenance will ensure it performs well for years. Lastly, customer support from Shark has a good reputation, and with a standard warranty, you should be covered if anything goes wrong. However, it's always a good idea to keep track of any issues you encounter and contact support if needed. So, who is this vacuum best for? If you're a pet owner with a mix of floors, want powerful suction without the weight, and need something that works well for quick cleanups, the Shark Cordless Pet Plus vacuum could be a great choice. It's not perfect for deep carpets, but for most households, it offers an impressive balance of features and value. It's especially useful for those looking for allergy-friendly performance without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the comments for the link to grab one for yourself. If you've already used this vacuum or have any questions, drop them below. We love hearing from you. Goodbye till next time, and remember, clean up your act with Reviewsinside TV.